Hey, this is Danny, and I came across a small problem with my flash drive today. This is something that some of you might have come across, and I came across a utility named Diskpart. So if you're unable to restore your flash drive to its original capacity, you can follow along, and I'll show you how you can restore your flash drive back to its original capacity. So you gotta go into search and search for Diskpart and run it as an administrator. So once you do that, it's going to open up command prompt and it's going to open up the Diskpart utility, and all you have to do is type in list disk, and once you hit enter, it's going to show you a list of all the disks that are connected to your PC. In this case, disk 1 is my thumb drive with a capacity of 14 gigabytes. Now you got to select your flash drive in order to perform a few operations on it. So in order to do that, I'm going to type in select disk 1, and it says disk 1 is now the selected disk. Now you got to be very careful when you're doing this step, because if you select the wrong disk, you might end up deleting everything off of your primary hard disk and you lose Windows and any other data you have on it. So you got to be careful when selecting the disk. So disk 1 is my disk, and all I have to type in is the command clean and hit enter. So Diskpart succeeded in cleaning the disk. So Diskpart has basically wiped out that entire partition and there's no more data on it. So now what you got to do is type in the command create partition primary. And once you've typed in that command, hit enter, and it would say Diskpart succeeded in creating the specified partition. So now all you have to do is go back to your Windows Explorer, right click on that and format it. And as you can see, it shows you a capacity of 14.4 GB. In your case, depending on what the maximum size of your thumb drive is, it will show you that capacity. So all you have to do is hit start, OK, and it's going to format your thumb drive for you. So once your thumb drive has been formatted, you can go ahead and use it just like you normally would. So that's how you restore your flash drive back to its original capacity. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.